This is bria, and yeah, it looks like you got a lot of the basic shapes, and you also went beyond what was covered in the module, and that's good. Although we are going to do some of that differently in the subsequent modules, so you'll swap some of these out, but that's okay. It's good to experiment with that stuff. I think uh, these should remain round, so I can see you've disproportionately scaled these, and I would just make sure, let's say these are like in both the x and z point 4, for example, and you can see how that now stays round. So these shouldn't be elongated like that, so you'll want to fix those. And I think it's a little just generally thin when seen from the side. If you do an additional search for a smoking spaceman robot, you can find side views of the same or very similar toy that will give you a view like this, and to give you a better idea of the proportions. So I think go back and fix the proportions. You'll replace some of the pieces that we'll do differently. Mostly it looks pretty good though, and also just check file name, because the files will have submission instructions, and generally you'll be naming the file with your name. So you can imagine, if everybody named it Robot or Robot 3 or whatever, I'd end up with, it would be hard to tell whose is whose. So it's just great if you could name it with your name and the assignment number. But yeah, overall it's good work, and yeah, just fix the proportions and keep going.